I am up and I just got out the shower. So that's why my hair looks like this. I haven't washed my hair with shampoo in such a long time, and I did this morning, and oh my gosh. And I did this like deep cleanse on my skin, and now my skin just feels like my eyes just feel swollen because I hopped out of bed and I ran into the shower, and oh yeah, my eyes feel a little swollen, but it's okay. It just feels super tired, like I can barely open them. And of course I have my coffee. I got a cup of champorado from the lady that comes every morning and sells it, but mixing it with my coffee has been the best thing I could ever do for myself. I'm going to use this Liqueur Paris Ultra Hydrating Day Cream. That's what it looks like. My mom bought this for me, and I barely use it because it was expensive, and yeah. But for the right under that, I'm going to use this Black Radiance Buttermelt Daily Butter Bread Moisturizer. This is super hydrating. Like, it's thick and hydrating. I don't think it's probably not that great for my oily skin, but I'm gonna use it anyways, because even if you have oily skin, you need to moisturize your face. Now I'm going to use a tiny bit. I really use the smallest amount because these things are just so thick, and I don't like a super thick layer of moisturizer on my skin in the daytime. I can do it in the nighttime because that's when I want everything to like soak into my skin and just stay there for the next how many ever hours I'm sleeping. But in the daytime, it's just going to make me oily, but it's okay. I just love how my skin feels when it's moisturized. Like, it feels so soft and so smooth. And I go upwards. When I'm done with my face, I go and I go like this, so my neck can, skin in my neck can stretch. I'm just gonna give myself a little massage. So I took my hair out last night out of a bun that I had, and oh my gosh, I gave myself a head massage. Whew, that shit was crazy. It felt amazing. All right, and my skincare routine is done. I am about to do my hair. Okay, so a couple hours later, I am done with my hair. Ugh. Straighten it. Excuse the ice cream truck, but doesn't matter. Straightened. And yeah, this is the end result. I think my hair always looks better when it is like on a couple, when I've had it straightened for a while, because when I first straighten it, I just feel like it looks weird still. But my hair is past my bra strap, it's past my nips are right here, and my hair is right here, right under my tit. So if you guys want a video of how I like maintain my hair and take care of my hair, then just, I don't do much, but you can like this video and let me know down below. that you want to see that. Good morning, Los Angeles, New York, London, Singapore, Belize, Canada, New Zealand, India, Africa. Hello, everyone. Wherever you are on the planet, good morning. Hello, my lovelies. Today I am shooting with Ipsy. We are doing a shoot for a brand called Complex Culture. I'm excited. I haven't shot with Ipsy in a while. Everybody here is real chill, real sweet. They make you feel good. And I'm just excited to be here. And I also haven't vlogged in a while, so excuse my awkwardness, y'all.
It'll take really quick, but I think you're all set to go.
Hi.
Hello.
I brought you some wardrobe options I want you to
Okay.
try. We can do it for you.
Okay.
When your nails dry, we
Okay.
can try those on, and then it's gonna take a minute anyway. So I can help you out.
Clear?
Yeah, actually I do. Let me find it for you.
I love your jacket.
Oh, thanks.
Cute. So I have to take my septum piercing out. I already knew I was gonna have to do that, but it's okay. Also, I had to come to a shop called the Nail Bar because I didn't do a good job of polishing my nails, and I still have a hour until I start shooting, so I got time to get a nail change, a color change, and hopefully by the time I get back, they're ready to start shooting. All right, y'all, so it is time for me to try on wardrobe. So this is the outfit. This is the top that they chose. They also put little earrings in my ears, and we're about to start shooting. Actually, I'm about to get makeup done. So this is the outfit, you guys. I'm only getting shot from here up, so it's okay. Me?
Yeah.
Yes. How you doing?
Oh,
They
I
always
was
take it
hearing
out.
something totally different. I was like, oh, does she contour a bunch? Like, what does that mean?
I wish I knew how to contour my nose like that.
Really?
Mm-hmm. What's your name again?
I'm Sandy.
Everyone, this is Sandy. I heard she is the bomb.
What up? I forgot you were doing that.
To these
that's
beautiful
so pretty.
ladies.
That is so pretty. I love that.
Yeah. And that is a wrap, y'all. My titties are popping out, but it's all good. Shout out to Ipsy.